Hello and welcome to today's video, where we'll be taking a look at the best food spots in New York City for Valentine's Day. Before we get started, just remember to hit the subscribe button and continue watching for more of our travel videos. As February 14th, the day when love is celebrated by lovers all around the world, draws near, we can all feel the love in the air as we get ready to celebrate the special day with our special persons. And what better way is there to spend the day than by sharing love over exquisitely delicious meals? So in this video, we would show you some of the finest, most elegant restaurants and food spots where you can enjoy an unforgettable romantic meal with your Valentine in New York City, the city that never sleeps. Number 1. The River Cafe, Brooklyn. The River Cafe is one of the most exquisite restaurants in Brooklyn and in the whole of New York City as well. It's located in a quiet and quaint part of Brooklyn. The River Cafe is well known and highly regarded not only for the amazing dishes on its menu, but also for its pleasant location and the astonishing view you can get in the restaurant as you enjoy your meal. As you sit in the restaurant, you get to see the breathtaking Manhattan skyline and the reflections of the giant skyscrapers on the calm waters of the East River. That beautiful view is sure to set a romantic tone for that Valentine's meal with your loved one. Now let's talk about the food. You should know that the River Cafe is a Michelin-rated restaurant, and that kind of says it all. The restaurant's menu is filled with ingenious and refined dishes. The food is made with locally sourced ingredients, so you can be sure that the food is always fresh and fantastic. Some of its signature dishes are grilled octopus, roast chicken, and pasta with truffles, and each meal tastes like perfection. The restaurant also offers a dynamic selection of specials that changes daily, and a well-curated wine list. A meal at the River Cafe is one to always remember. Number 2. Benjamin Steakhouse, Midtown East. This steakhouse is a brilliant blend of delectable dishes, delightful scenery, and dependable service. Benjamin Steakhouse is arguably one of the best and most beautiful steakhouses in the whole of New York City. This Midtown East restaurant is well known for its world-class dishes of marbled cuts of dry-aged beef and succulent seafood. The restaurant is as charming as it can be. No wonder it was named Best Steakhouse in the Concierge Choice Awards. From the food to the plating to the interior decoration, Benjamin Steakhouse is just perfect for a romantic and intimate meal with your partner on Valentine's Day. In anticipation of this special Lover's Day, Benjamin Steakhouse prepares a special menu each year. And for this year's Valentine's Day, they have crafted a spectacular prix-fixe menu that is sure to make your taste buds explode with delicious flavor. Unlike many other steakhouses, Benjamin Steakhouse dry ages their meat with their own aging box. They offer numerous options that include bone-in ribeye, rack of lamb, Chilean sea bass, or surf and turf of USDA prime filet mignon, lobster, shrimp, king crab, brulees, and beer blanc on the special Valentine's Day preview menu. Oysters, lobster bits, and shrimp cocktails are among the starter options, and there's a champagne toast included as well. Benjamin Steakhouse is especially great service that will see to it that you and your lover are treated like royalty. You deserve it. Number 3. The Fulton, Lower Manhattan. Somewhere in a beautiful corner of Lower Manhattan lies an incredible, sleek, and modern seafood-focused restaurant that offers an elegant, beautiful, and rich atmosphere. Its name is the Fulton. The Fulton's interior is designed with a vibrant and immersive nautical theme that stays true to its seafood theme, and in a more modern fashion, it also combines its stunning sea theme with exposed brick walls, wood accents, and large windows that give you a magnificent view of the Hudson River. This beautiful, intentional design is sure to make you and your lover feel at your most relaxed, as you both share love and laughter over the fantastic dishes the Fulton is known for. For this Valentine's Day, the Fulton has crafted a special menu that features a variety of irresistible seafood dishes, combined with a carefully selected collection of creative cocktails, and a well-curated wine list. You can get anything from oysters to lobster to sushi rolls, all made expertly. The Fulton also has many delicious vegetarian options if that is what you want. The Fulton is a restaurant that does its best to give you perfection. Number 4. The Artusi, Greenwich Village. If you want an intercontinental experience for you and your lover this Valentine's Day right in New York City, the Artusi is where you want to go. The Artusi is an Italian restaurant that gives you a whole different type of amazing vibe. The atmosphere is fluid, warm, exquisite, and exotic to make you feel like you're in another world, and right at home at the same time. The interior of La Artusi is a cozy and chic atmosphere, both grand and accentuated with contemporary features, like exposed brick walls and wood accents. Lighting is one thing that makes La Artusi so great this Valentine's Day. The lighting in the restaurant gives off a soft, warm, and inviting ambience that just shines romance into the atmosphere. When it comes to food, L'Artusi gives you your money's worth and more. They serve tons of Italian dishes made with incredible tasting traditional ingredients and recipes. L'Artusi also offers a special Valentine's Day menu that is crafted to bring taste and flavor to your Valentine's Day. Some of the dishes featured on L'Artusi's Valentine's Day menu include pasta with truffles, roasted chicken, and grilled seafood. L'Artusi is notable for its serving high-quality cuisine, offering a stylish atmosphere and giving memorable experiences that last a lifetime. Number 5. Benjamin Prime Steakhouse, Murray Hill. Here is another fabulous Benjamin restaurant located in the heart of Midtown East. Benjamin Prime, just like its sister restaurant, is a sleek and modern steakhouse of exceptional quality. It is an excellent choice for a perfectly romantic Valentine's Day meal in the city that never sleeps. Benjamin Prime Restaurant showcases an excellent interior decor that features impressive and contemporary designs, accentuated with dark wood accents, leather banquettes, and soft central lighting that lights up the place with cool, calm love. Benjamin Prime offers a variety of prime-tasting food that is made with tested and trusted recipes. For Valentine's Day, Benjamin Prime offers its own special menu, spiced with so many high-quality steaks, other tasty meat dishes, a delightful selection of seafood, and also incredible vegetarian options. Apart from all the amazing food and outstanding decor, Benjamin Prime is also known for its excellent wine pairing, so it would be a complete and wonderful experience for you and your loved one. Number 6. Pinto Garden, Greenwich. Pinto Garden is an NYC restaurant known for its delicious Asian cuisine, as well as its charm. The restaurant has a very natural and romantic atmosphere. The beautiful blend of its simple decorations and soft lighting creates a surreal, romantic, and intimate ambiance that you can't find in any other NYC restaurant. The restaurant has a remarkable outdoor patio that is just perfect for a leisurely meal with your loved one. The restaurant is among the top choices for Valentine's Day dinners in all of New York City. The food at Pinto Gardens is carefully cooked with specially developed and ancient recipes, and the results will absolutely blow your mind. The plating and food arrangement are impeccable, and the service is excellent. A meal at Pinto Gardens is not just a meal. It is an experience that you should not miss out on. Number 7. Havana Central, Theater District. Havana Central brings the passion and fun of Cuba into its food and its environmental design. The interior is a lively, exotic, and tropical design, unlike anything you've ever seen. The food at Havana Central is amazing to say the least. The restaurant serves so many traditional Cuban dishes that are just fantastic. Some of them include mojo marinated roasted pork, chicken and beef empanadas, and ropa vieja. Havana Central also offers a delicious selection of vegetarian options, so no one is left out. Apart from the main dining room, Havana Central also has a very lively, atmospheric bar area, where you can enjoy delightful cocktails in a brilliant and fun atmosphere. The restaurant is a popular destination for food lovers and fun lovers alike. And if you're looking for a free and fun vibe for your Valentine's Day, then Havana Central is just where you should go. And there you have it, the absolute best restaurants and food spots you can find in all of New York City for a perfect and romantic meal with your special person on Valentine's Day. Whether you want to go all out and celebrate your love with a fancy dinner at a Michelin-star restaurant, or you want something simple and beautiful like an intimate meal at a cozy place, there's something for everyone in this amazing city. We hope this video has given you some great ideas for where to take your special someone this Valentine's Day. Thank you for watching, and happy dining!